What are you doing? You hate being on your tummy, huh? What are you doing? Hello! Should we go over here? I know. Well, why don't you roll over? You know how to roll over. Oh. Oh. Oh, you're okay. Oh, you're mad. What's wrong? You don't like that tummy sound, do you? You want this? Does that look okay? As long as you're on your side, right? 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 Say hi. Hi. You just don't like that tummy time, do you? Hello. Hello. Hello over there. Hey, baby.